go Rangers. Rangers.
Say hi, Chris. Chris.
Hey, buddy.
Chris Tran. Chris Tran.
Buddy.
Chris Tran. Chris Tran. Chris Tran. Randy, stop following me.
Aw, nigga, that's you.
Mom, stop following me.
Son.
Hey, Andy.
Son, shut up.
Andy, watch out for the asteroid. Hey.
Bevmore's.
That's the smallest.
Ooh, Red Robins. I never been to Red Robins.
Oh, I never been there.
Chris Tate. Chris Tran.
Y'all some lame ass niggas.
Randy Pedro Palacio.
Rangers.
This man is crazy.
Andrew
lame
from
ass.
Among.
You see that red in the Robins?
Yeah, we're going to Red Robins. My first time.
Look at them girls down there. Look.
Where?
They running like some hoes. Look.
Hey! Let me out!
Hey,
Like,
check out.
it's cold. It's cold. It's cold.
Over here, guys.
That's okay. Let me back. You know what's brand new? Allow me in the morning. Rangers. Ain't that right, Frank?
They stopping me. Right.
Hell no, we ain't stopping shit.
Wait, you guys, my first time at Red Robins.
Red Robins, my nigga. Red Robins, you know what I'm saying? You know, we don't play around here. Rangers. Alright, Red Robins. I know. Hi, we're recording. Hi, can we get you guys' name?
I'm Sid.
Hi, Sid. See, that's Sid. Kayla. There we go. Brooke. Alright, yeah. We're recording, y'all. Look at these people eating. That's where we used to sit, remember? Remember we used to sit there? Alright, see?
Huh?
Where's our seat? Oh.
Oh.
Oh,
No. You guys need to go back up to the front.
oh, see, she didn't get our seats. She didn't get our seats. See that? That's crazy.
Hey, you.
I thought we get our seats, but I guess not. Oh, look at Andy then playing here. Oh.
Andy, you want to peek?
Oh, and me a pig.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Chris, watch out for the asteroid. Come on.
It's only hanging right here.
Rangers. Oh yeah, see that used to be our old seat right there. Right there.
Scoot.
Alright, now she got our seat. Look at that. Yeah. We're gonna post this on YouTube, huh, Andy?
Thank you.
Kid's on the phone with his mom. You gotta go back home? You gotta go back home? Alright, because you ain't going back home. Oh, look what we got on the menu.
You know what?
Can I get a water with lemon? Water with lemon.
Lemonade.
Rangers. Why are we gonna stop it for? Why?
You guys better order something.